Welcome back to Grammar Minute, your go-to spot for spending a few minutes and learning essential grammar. Today we're going to learn about articles. Are you ready? Let's go.
He bought a new car yesterday. They went to a restaurant for dinner. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. She is the best student in the class. We saw a movie last night. He is an honest man. They live in a big house. She found an old coin in the garden. The sun rises in the east. We visited a beautiful park. He is an engineer. This is the book I was talking about. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. I want to buy a new phone. The sky is clear tonight. She gave me an orange. We saw a bird on the tree. He is the tallest person in the room. They have an idea for the project. The Atlantic Ocean is vast.
How's your score? Feeling proud of yourself? Well done! Here's the tip for you if you still have some problems. Take a good look at this simple guide and you'll have no problem using it next time. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Grammar Minute. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.